babies are like angels. They are innocent, Mr. Speaker. So when you have a baby being born and then detained in hospital, we look like we are heartless, like we are a society that does not care at all, Mr. Speaker. Even if the mothers have not registered, there should be an arrangement where the government can write off bills. It's just welcoming a citizen, Mr. Speaker. We cannot have any justification whatsoever, Mr. Speaker, why we should detain newly born babies in hospitals. This is totally unacceptable. And Mr. Speaker, sir, if we are serious that we want to move from being a third world country to a first world country, these are the yardsticks that will be used to measure whether we are really migrating, moving towards being a first world country. How can you be a first world country, Mr. Speaker, when newly born babies are being detained in hospitals simply because their mothers cannot meet the medical expenses and the government cannot step in to pay for their medical bills? I want to appeal to the President because the buck stops with him. We need to put in place measures, Madam Speaker. At times it's good to own up. If Linda Mama was serving our mothers, why are we replacing it with something that is not working, Mr. Speaker? Let's own up in the best interest of our newly born babies. We reinstate Linda Mama, Mr. Speaker, so that our mothers can be welcomed to a country called Kenya without any pain or suffering.